to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Video here is going to be how to spray a chameleon, flip-flop, 3-stage pearl, all that pretty much the same thing. The reason why I'm doing this video because if y'all can recall the last, well not the last, but I did a Impala SS. It was dirty Sprite, and I had missed one spot on the fender for us the bodywork. It was right above the trim. So the owner, he asked me if he sent me a fender, will I repaint it? So yeah. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna repaint this in this video, step by step. So let me open it up and we'll get started. Here's the fender unboxed. You can see he marked some of the spots that he's seen. But I was looking up here. This whole top needs to be white because there's a lot of dings and dents. Let's see if I can get you a shot of it. No, you're not gonna be able to see it, but it's a whole lot of dings and dents right here. Also, this is a push out, so I gotta knock this down. And gotta remove this adhesive. Also, it's a ding there, I can see. But I'm not gonna show you the bodywork process for this here, because y'all done seen plenty of videos of me doing bodywork. I'll just cut y'all back on when I get ready to start spraying. Or I might just show y'all clips of me doing the bodywork. Oh, also he sent me some handles. He said, fam, I need these sprayed over to, hold up. Fam, I need these sprayed over too, please. The other ones had some spots missing on the top. So we're gonna spray these here also.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, the bodywork is done. Also went ahead and wet sanded it. I just finished spraying it off, trying to dry it before I start painting it. But I'm not gonna paint it on this stand because it'd be hard to get coverage all the way around, because I want to paint part of the jamb as well, that lip on the back side. Then I gotta paint around the fender well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hang it up on these chains. I got the chains already hanging up. That way I can get all the way around with no problem. Now I take this wax and grease remover, wipe the panel down, remove all the fingerprints, oil and grease, because you don't want to start spraying and you got grease on it, because your paint gonna react. So you need to get that off. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm ready to start spraying. I'm gonna put a seal on it first, make it one uniform color, because I painted the car the same way, so I'm gonna do the same steps. Also got the handles over here. I'm gonna put some adhesion promoter on this chrome. Other than that, I'm gonna be doing it the same way. Step. Here's one coat of the sealer. Now it's one uniform color. Let me show you the handles. Still somewhat flashing, but I'm gonna mix up this base coat. It's gonna be like a navy blue base. We'll put 3 coats of that base on it. Show the back side. I ain't try to get too much coverage back here because I'm only concentrating on spraying this up here. Down here, he going black like the other Fender. Go. Here's the base. Like I said, it was a navy blue. Take you around to the back side. Here's the handles. Now it's time for stage 3. Tri-stage. Well, it's actually stage 2, but I put a seal on it, so I call it stage 3, but this actually stage 2 if you don't put no seal on it. Because I put the sealer, then I put the base. Now I'm going with a pearl. We're gonna put 3 coats of this pearl on there. Here's 3 coats of the pearl. Got that blue to green flip. Now we'll spray our clear on it. That should bring it on out. results. Everything dry. I shot it about 4 hours ago. It's dry to the touch. It's not dry to be moving around. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow when the sun come out, and I'll get y'all another shot in the sun. But here's the Fender. You'll be able to see that blue to green flip once I put it out in the sun.
Stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from